You will be amazed what I am doing with this ball. I'll be teaching you potential energy through this ball. If an object, this ball is an object, if an object is kept at a height, or by squeezing it, I am changing its state. The energy which arises because of these two things, because of the position and because of the change in state, that is called potential energy. The energy which arises because of the position or change of state is called potential energy. Now look at this. This is a wall or building, whatever you say. This ball is kept here. Let the mass of this ball is m. And all of you know, our Mother Earth is showing our love by pulling us towards its center. That is the way our Mother Earth show love to us. And that love, it is pulling us, that is acceleration. As it is being pulled, that is acceleration. As this acceleration is being shown by our Mother Earth, so I am giving this a name, acceleration due to gravity. So there is a force applied by Mother Earth. This is Earth. This is Earth. This Earth is applying force. And because of that, there is an acceleration, and that acceleration is called acceleration due to gravity. Acceleration due to gravity. And acceleration due to gravity is known as or termed as g, small g. And there is a height also. There is a height also. Energy is nothing but work. Energy is nothing but work. Energy is equal to work. What is work? Work is, E for energy, work is nothing but force into displacement. Now come to force. What is force? Force is an external cause. When applied on a body, force is an external cause. When applied on a body, causes acceleration. So, force is made up of mass and acceleration. And this is what displacement. So, S vector. What is mass in this case? This ball is having mass. Mass is always constant. So, mass, I am writing it as m. This A is what? Acceleration. All of us are being pulled by Mother Earth towards its center, and that creates an acceleration. And that is what? That is acceleration due to gravity. So this acceleration due to gravity is termed as g. So what I will be writing in place of A? G. And what is the displacement? Displacement, ball was here, its initial position. And what is the final position? This one. So there is a displacement, and this displacement is what? Nothing but height. This is the height. So in place of this displacement, what I will be writing? H. So this energy is what? This energy is potential energy. So the formula of potential energy is mgh. What? Formula of potential energy is mgh. I hope you have understood. Thank you.